Welcome, my super geniuses. Natty T here, your creativity coach. We're doing a 3-minute hack today. That's 6, but that doesn't matter. If you're suffering from any kind of creative block at all, we are going to explore a hack that might just get you unblocked. So let's get into it. But before we do, I am going to ask that you support the channel. And that means like if you like, subscribe if you want, and of course, share if you can. We're going to get into this hack, the isolation method. So the idea behind this one is that if you give yourself only your creative tools and your imagination, your brain will start to come up with the most stimulating ways of using those things. So what you're going to do is this. Number 1, clear anywhere from an hour to an entire day. Just depends on how much time you would like. Next, you're going to clear some space for yourself where you won't be interrupted at all. 3, you're going to take your creative tools. 4, you're going to clear your mind as best you can anyway. And number 5, you're going to begin to play with your tools. Just play. So this will take a different amount of time for different people because it will depend on how far away from inspiration you are and how much resistance you've got. If you'd like to know where you are on that scale, just go down to the description and I've got a PDF that will help you do exactly that so that you know where you're at and you can figure it all out. But for now, what we're going to do is we're going to go into the do's and the don'ts. Do not. Took me a while to get that one out. Do not worry about your outcome. Do not. Number 2, worry about time. Do not. Number 3, worry about the dishes. In fact, don't worry about any of that stuff. Don't worry at all. Number 4, don't have any expectations for the outcome of this particular exercise. That's not the point. It's just to get creative juices flowing. That's it. Okay? Now, please do. This is our do list. Have a childlike approach. Do see this as an exercise in fun. Do have fun. And last of all, do see this as an act of love and nurturing for your creativity and your artwork and yourself. It can be quite fun. Now, remember, if this isn't quite your cup of tea, this particular hack, there will be more hacks on the channel. So keep an eye out for those and you can check all of those out. However, if you hit the little bell icon, you'll get notified. They're sneaky. But the other thing that we need to remember is that if you're really having trouble, you can hit me up for some coaching. That info's in the description as well. And thank you for taking this time out with me. And don't ever forget that you are a super genius and I love you.